Hey, good morning. Let's see here. That. So that was moved over. That's. I don't know if that's been moved over. No. Okay. So this right here has to be moved all the way over here. So you want to put the RPI against this wall of the enclosure. Okay. Really important. Put that all the way over there. Okay. And then we're putting a cable through here. We have to put a USB cable through here. Just the cable. We want it to be watertight. So this has to be split in half so that one half of the circle is here, one half is right here, right? So that's a half. This is perfect right here. Leave that how it is, but move this section up, right? So move this layer up right here, up, make the hole, and then make the hole so it joins right here. Make it just so that the wire is perfectly enclosed. So that's 7 millimeters, okay? Thank you very much. I think that'll be it.